Hey booze, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about sequins pants, right? We are in that holiday season and you might have some sequins pants in your closet that you bought from years ago or recently, and all you can think about is one way of putting it on. Listen, I've struggled with that like completely. I've been losing my mind. So I said, you know what? Let me challenge myself. I need to create 5 different looks in 5 different categories with one pants. So if you have your sequins pants, skirt, or anything that's sequins in your closet and you don't really know how to put it together, this video right here is for you. So I am excited for you to see this video. I hope it gives you some kind of ideas on how to put your look together. And I want to wish you a happy holidays in advance. Before we start, let's get these lips together, babe. That's right. So now I'm going to go ahead with the star of the show, the sequins pants. I love that it has the elastic around the hip so, you know, it can stretch, which it's been good because it's been with me for about 2 years and I rarely wear it because I really didn't know what the heck to do with it. That's what inspired this whole video. But with this look, I decided to do a dress down. So I paired it with a ribbed turtleneck and some white sneakers. So this is something like you could wear to the office. This is something that you can, you know, wear to get some coffee or whatever. Just something that just looks really casual. And what I realized is you can actually really wear something that is so fancy and dress it down. White sneakers are perfect for dressing down anything, and I decided to pair it with this coat and bag. Now, this look, I would wear this maybe to a dinner day or, you know, a little dinner, evening dinner somewhere, or a holiday dinner or church, okay, baby naming, baby shower, outdooring, somewhere that can be a combination of just a classic look, okay? And I paired it with this bag that I found at Target. But anyway, I got these sequins pants from Torrid, and the blazer is also from Torrid. And these earrings are from a jewelry line that I was contemplating on doing, but decided not to do, and I just love them. And now I decided to, you know, show you guys another look on something casual. This time I wanted something extremely casual. So I just paired it with a mica sweater. I love the detailing of this sweater. I paired it with the same Target bag and a tank top from Torrid and some fun sunglasses. Okay, and again, my accessories is from my own line that I never went public with. So this look right here, perfect for, you know, brunch or, you know, meeting up with the girls or just being out and about. I think this is really cute, and I paired it with some Zara sneakers. So yeah, another way to, you know, dress it down. This one, I was feeling really Dolly Parton kind of vibe. So I paired it with a hat. You know, I'm here in Texas, and decided to, you know, add a different texture by pairing it with some lace. And I just love this look. I think this is one of my favorite looks. And then we got the bag and the boots on the foot, and the shoes are actually from Mango. The bag is Hermes, and this last look here, this top is from Fashion Nova. Got it a couple of years ago, something again that I had rarely wear, and decided to pair it with this. And this look is my favorite, and I hope you really enjoyed this video and you got inspired. And let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Gilla.